that is division operation is not commutative. Like that, the product of two sets is Cartesian product of two sets is not commutative. A cross B and B cross A are not equal. So next is definition of relation. Let A and B are any two non-empty set, B any non-empty set, then any subset of A cross B is called relation from A to B. For example, in above example, A is 1, 2, 3, B is AB, then A cross B is this set contains 6 elements. So the relation from A to B, that is, out of these 6, take any 2 element, 3 element, 1 element. For example, 1A, 2A and 2B. So this is the subset of, this R1 is subset of A cross B, and so this R1, that is 1A, 2A and 2B, is one of the relation from A to B. So under this relation, 1 is related to A, because when we say 1 is related to A, why? Because 1A belongs to R1, present in R1, but A1 does not present in R1, and so A is not related to 1, but 1 is related to A. That is, A is related to B and B is related to A. These two are different things. If A is related to B, then we cannot say that B is related to A. If both AB and BA present in the relation, then we can say that A is related to B, also B is related to A. So under this relation R1, 2 is related to A, 2 is related to B. Okay. So similarly, we can take R2, another relation, that is, take any subset of this A cross B, any subset. So when set becomes a subset of this set, by using the definition of subset, we can say that we take any 2 element, 3 element, 1 element from these 6 elements. If we can take all 6 elements in the set, then it also becomes a subset of this set. So this set contains 6 elements, and so we have 2 raised to 6 subsets of this A cross B. That is, we have total 2 raised to 6 relations from A to B, different relations from A to B. So we can take another relation, suppose 1A, then 2B and 3A. Also we take the element 3B. So these are the 4 elements from this set A cross B. So this is one of the relation from A to B. So then we can find A cross A. So what is A? A is the set 1, 2, 3. Then what is A cross A? Contains the element 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, then 3, 1, 3, 2 and 3, 3. So contains total 9 elements, because A contains 3 elements. So this is the set A cross A. Then subset of A cross E is the relation from A to A. So instead of from A to A, we can say that is relation on A. So we take subset of A cross A. Let notation is R3, R1, 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 3 and 3 2. This is the subset of A cross A, and so is the relation on A is one of the relation on, and total this set contains A cross A contains total 9 elements, and that's why this set we have total 2 raised to 9 subsets of A cross A. That is, we have total 2 raised to 9 relations on A. Then next is the definition of equivalence relation. Let A be any non-empty set and let R be a relation on A, that is subset of A cross A. Then the relation R is called an equivalence relation on A, on the set A, if the following properties are satisfied. Property number 1, reflexive. That is, if R is reflexive, that is what? X related to X for all X belongs to A. Means every element of set A related to itself, then we say the relation is reflexive. But property number 2, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. That is what? If X related to Y, then Y related to X, and this is true for all X and Y belongs to A. That is, if one element related to other, then the second one also related to first one, then we say the relation is symmetric. Number 3, R is transitive. So when R is transitive, that is, if X related to Y and Y related to Z, then X related to Z. For all X, Y, Z belongs to A. If this is true, then we say the relation is transitive. And if these 3 properties are satisfied by the relation R, then we say the relation R is an equivalence relation on that set.